Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you a real way to generate Flash USDT. And honestly, most of what you see online about this topic is either fake or straight up misleading. So today we're not just talking, we're actually testing it live, step by step, right from the phone. But before we start, quick disclaimer. These are non-real USDT. You can't cash them out or convert them into real money. They'll only appear in your wallet for demonstration, testing, or entertainment purposes. In most cases, they can be transferred once and disappear after some time. Alright, let's get into it. Right now, I'm inside my Trust wallet. As you can see, I've got 100 USDT and about 15 TRX on my balance. First step, we go into USDT. Make sure it's on TRON network or TRC20 and copy the wallet address. Next, we go to website USDT Flash. I'll leave the link pinned in the comment. Let's quickly have a look what this platform claims. It supports TRON and Ethereum networks. No registration or KYC required. Works with Trust Wallet, TRON Link, and MetaMask. Uses a smart contract system and supposedly delivers tokens within seconds. Also, the important note, it clearly says you need TRX or Ethereum for gas fees, otherwise the wallet won't connect. Now let's actually try. We paste our wallet address here. Select the amount, I'm choosing 100,000 USDT, and click Initialize Contract. Now wallet connection request pops up. I select Trust Wallet, switch to the wallet and approve the connection. After that, you will need to confirm the transaction fee. This includes both network gas and service fee. Check the details and confirm it. Now let's go back to the wallet. And as you can see, about 30 USDT and some TRX have been deducted. We go back to the website and now we wait for the generation process. Important, don't refresh the page, just let it run. And there it is, message says tokens have been sent. Now let's check the wallet. Opening Trust Wallet, refreshing the balance. One more time. And boom, 100,000 USDT just appeared on the balance. And as you can see, it looks exactly like real USDT. Same logo, same interface. But again, keep in mind, these are non-real funds. They exist for a limited time and are mainly used for display and testing purposes. So yeah, that's the method. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, fake, real, or just a cool trick. If this helped you, drop a like and I'll see you in the next video.